this country chicken here. It's really fresh. I just got it from the store. I just let the butcher clean the chicken. I also burnt the chicken, that's all. I will cut it myself and will cook a nice country chicken fry. Let's get on with it. We'll throw away the bum. Here we have our beautiful fresh country chicken. See how beautiful the color is. Let's cook them now.
It weighed 1.6 kilograms.
Mustard oil, about 100 ml. I have already chopped all the ingredients for sauteing. Onions, Bayleaf, tejpata, ginger, garlic, ghost pepper, umorok or bhut jolokia, and tomato is to add the flavor. We'll put at a later stage. We're heating the oil in high flame. It's hot now, so let us drop the Bayleaf first. To avoid spillage of oil, let's reduce the flame to the lowest while we are dropping the sauteing items. Tejpata, let's increase the flame and then let's fry until it's golden brown. It's golden brown now. Let's drop the garlic and the ginger paste. I'm just going to cut in this. Let's reduce the flame and then put in red chilli powder. Red chilli powder. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons. This is not the spicy one. It's not gonna make it hot. It's just gonna give you a beautiful red color. See? Beautiful red color. Just lower the flame while you're putting in the masalas. Some turmeric powder. Let's drop in the chicken now. Look at the color. The flame is on high. For the first few minutes after dropping, it should be in high flame. We have just put chili powder and turmeric only. We'll put some more garam masala, spice powder later on. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't get burned. I'm so ready to bite into this. It's gonna be so yummy. Let's keep on frying them for about 15 minutes on medium flame until the natural juices from the chicken dries out. I'm just gonna cover it with a lid.
Check in between and keep stirring in between as well.
The lid is so sparkly. My secrets are revealed. Oh, you can see me there. There.
Sally, take her walker while I hide away her coat. Let's make sure that Grandma doesn't vote.
I'm just gonna prepare some liquid masala, peppercorn powder,
Marang, garam masala or spice powder.
some cinnamon powder, and some water. Mix them. We'll pour all of this inside the chicken, and once this liquid gets dried up, that's when the chicken will be cooked. Let's increase the flame to high and drop in the tomato. Keep stirring on high flame for about 3 minutes, and then we'll add some of the masalas with a little bit of water. Let's pour this in. Let's keep it medium flame. We'll let the excess liquid reduce, and then it should be done. There's still a good amount of water. Let's let it dry. Medium flame. It's reducing. We'll just wait for some more time. Cover back. See, the water is dried up. It's well cooked now. Let's garnish with some coriander. Let's sprinkle the coriander. Ooh, looks super yummy. Let's off the flame. We're so done. Let's let it cool down for a while and then we'll eat. Let's eat now. Delectable. It's so good. My favorite, the wings. If you guys liked the video and the recipe, do not forget to like, share and also subscribe, and also try the recipe out. It's too good. It's very nice. Take care. Bye bye.